Effective onboarding and continuous learning are crucial for attracting and retaining talented employees. Luckily, setting up these processes is now easier than ever. Introducing Fellow LMS by Fellow Digital, an innovative solution to create your own company-specific academy. With our user-friendly LMS, you can effortlessly generate content tailored to your organization's needs. Already have learning material in place? Our app can automatically convert your existing trainings into modern online courses, sprinkle in some interactive quizzes, and combine them into programs. Voila! Personalize the learning experience for each employee based on their role, department, or location. Track progress, completion rates, and performance using detailed analytics, and pinpoint areas for improvement. Gain a competitive advantage by ensuring both existing and new employees feel welcome, informed, and engaged from day one. Anytime, anywhere. So what are you waiting for? Start your own academy today.